Hello and welcome back to my channel. So we are doing pre-writing strokes. Earlier we have done two strokes, that is standing line. See, this is standing line up to down and this is slipping line left to right. And today we will learn a new stroke, that is slanting line. See, it is a slanting line. It always drawn from up to down. This is a slanting line. It is a backward slanting line because it is tilted at the back. It is bending at the back. So this is a backward slanting line. There are two types of slanting lines. See, this is also a slanting line, but it is bending forward. So it is called a forward slanting line. It is bending forward, tilted forward. It is tilted at the front. So these are the two types of slanting lines. This one is bending backward. Okay? This one is bending backward. So it is a backward slanting line. And this one is bending forward. So this is a forward slanting line. So now you understood? There are two types of slanting lines. Now we will draw the slanting line with the help of chalk. Up to down, up to down, up to down, up to down. These are the forward slanting line. And then we will trace it with the help of our index finger. Up to down. Okay. So let's start. Up to down. Up to down. Slowly, then again up to down and up to down. So in this way you can trace it with the help of your index finger. Now we can place the objects we have like this, and these all are looking forward slanting lines. These are the popsicle sticks I have. You can use pencils, pen or anything. Now we are drawing backward slanting lines. These are the backward slanting line, and then start tracing it with the help of our index finger. Up to down, up to down. Okay. And now I am placing different objects. I have placed popsicle stick, chalk, or you can also place pen, pencil. Now we will see the slanting line objects. So the first object is rain. Whenever it rains, kindly observe the rain will be in slanting line position. And if you take a bath in the shower, you will see that the water is falling in slanting line direction, up to down in slanting position. And we have a body part which is our nose, and nose is also a slanting body part. See, this is a slanting line position. And whenever we fly a kite, its thread will be always in slanting position. So these were some slanting line examples, and thank you for watching my video. My next video will be on slanting line activities, so stay tuned and like, share and subscribe.